In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct polls during your Microsoft Teams meetings. Polling is an excellent way to engage your participants, gather instant feedback, or make decisions collaboratively. Plus, it's easier to do than you might think. So, let's dive right in. First things first, during your Teams meeting, locate the Apps menu at the top of your meeting window. This is your gateway to various tools that enhance your meeting experience, and it's a spot you'll want to become familiar with for many meeting functions. Once you're there, look for the Polls option. You can either search for Polls directly or click on it if it's already visible in the menu. Microsoft Teams has streamlined the process, making it incredibly easy to find and use these interactive tools. Next up, you'll be presented with an option to either choose from pre-made poll templates or create a new one. Pre-made templates can be a great resource, especially if you're in a hurry or need inspiration. They cover a wide range of common polling scenarios, ensuring that there's something in there to suit most occasions. However, if your situation requires something more specific, opting to create a new poll allows you to tailor your questions precisely to your needs. Once your template is selected, whether pre-made or newly created, it's time to modify the poll according to your requirements. This step is crucial because it allows you to customize the questions and responses to best fit your audience and context. Think carefully about what kind of answers you're hoping to get, as this will influence the type of questions you pose. A well-crafted question can greatly enhance the value of the feedback you receive. When you're happy with your poll, it's time to launch it. Clicking Launch will immediately send your poll live to the meeting participants. This is the moment where everything comes together, as attendees can now see and interact with your poll. Watching their responses come in can provide immediate insights. As participants begin voting, you'll be able to view the responses as they come in real time. This capability is one of the exciting parts about using polls during meetings because it provides you an instant gauge on participant sentiment or preferences. When all is said and done and you've gathered the information you need, don't forget to click Close Poll. This step ensures that no further responses can be submitted, effectively ending that cycle of input. It allows you to summarize and discuss the results with your team while still fresh in everyone's mind. There you have it. A quick, efficient guide to polling within Microsoft Teams meetings. Using polls can make your meetings more engaging and insightful, so give it a try in your next session. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.